second son gave me a gift card for my birthday, so we're gonna go in here one more and buy something just for me. Just for me. Plus I think I have like $10 on my OTC card. We need eggs, I don't know. But I'm not spending none of my gift card on nobody but me. It's for me. For my birthday. Okay, let's get in Walmart. Okay, there we go, Walmart. Let's get in here and see what I'm gonna buy just for me. Little bitty me. I do want some earrings for my nose, my eyebrow. And guys, guess what I want to do now? I want to get me some contacts. I was watching Rudy, I think. And she was sponsoring some contacts. Oh, it was some pretty color. So, I'm like, okay. When I get paid next month, I'm gonna buy me some contacts. Color just to wear, not for, seeing or nothing. I wore contacts once, oh my god, years and years ago. Oh my god, it was so funny. My husband had to help me get them on. I was so scared. I didn't know how to get them out. I thought they were gonna be stuck in my head, but that was crazy. But yeah, I only wore color contacts once out of my life. So, you know what? I don't have to start over here for food because I'm not in here for food. I'm in here for me, little bitty me. But yeah, I wore contacts once. I was so scared they got, oh my god. And I said never again. But when I seen Broody with those, she is so pretty. The contact made her even prettier. I really liked it. They had like some pink one. I think I want some, either blue or green. Yeah, but I'm gonna get me some contacts next month, guys. The jewelry, see what they got on sale. Guys, you order get some jewelry, make sure you check the necklace. Look at it. Thank God my husband was able to get it out. It's so tiny. Look at it. So tiny, but I like it. But yeah, I found some earrings for my nose and my eyebrow. I had this here, as you can see the little hole. And then I have that pair. My tongue doing okay. And I do want to get a bigger bowl. But yeah, let's see what they got. I do need a purse, but I don't need a purse. Yeah, they had clearance over here. So let's see what they got left. Okay, let's see. Those are cute. It's cute. I had nothing really good. $5 for those. This is $10. That's cute. I wish I would have seen them. I would have got it. Oh, I like that necklace. That's 10. Ooh, I like that necklace too. But they be having the things so tiny. You ain't really saving nothing but $5. I need to save at least 15, 20 bucks. Ooh, some anklets, 3-piece. Save it for. I might get that. Summer coming, guys. Summer is coming, guys. Shein got some good sales going on too. That's 17. Oh, it was 68. See, that's what I'm talking about. When you can say something like that. This 17. It was 68. Yeah, that's pretty. Look how thin the necklace is. Ugh. These are 6. I'm on the budget, guys. I always shop on the budget. Oh, look at those safety pin ones. Those are 6. Okay, I don't see nothing that I have to have over here. Oh, I do like those. $6 and they was 10. I like those anklets. Oh, I like that. I think I'm gonna get me one of these. I know she's gonna take it up front. I like that. How much it was? 16. Not really saving anything. I think I'm gonna get one of these anklets. Yeah, $6. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get. I like the necklace down there too, but you have to. I think it's so tiny. I wish those was way cheaper. I need something really, really. I don't know. That might be. Oh God, you think that's too big for my nose? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna get. I think I'm gonna get that one. The summer is coming, and I don't know how much was that. We only saving a few dollars. You only saving a few dollars. I like that. I don't know which one. Which one you got? We'll get this one or that one. Okay, I think I'm gonna get that one. Oh, here's some cute rings. 328. Wow. Oh, look at that one. Look at that one right there. I don't see how much it costs. Ooh, I like that one in the middle. Why do you don't have layaway no more? Ooh, I like that one. None of this stuff on clearance. There, that's pretty. $2 off right there. That right there, right there. Right there. Ain't none of this clearance. Oh, I like that, Mom. Mother's Day is coming, guys. Are you ready for Mother's Day? Trying to find something really small for my nose. That look like it's small now, but then it don't. That look like it's okay, but then it don't. I want something really, really, really tiny. Yeah. Ain't none of this over here on clearance. Those are 28. Not worth it. Those probably just tiny enough. Okay. Yeah, Birthstone collection. Look at this over here. These are cute. $4. What is that? Oh, a drink. These are 17. Dang. Ooh, $5 was 8. But I need something tiny for my nose. Tiny for my nose. $5. Those are cute. I think I'm gonna get one of those. Yeah, I like these. Okay, my total is $12. Here's my gift card. Okay, I got my earrings. Okay, guys, I got my earrings. It was $12. I got these earrings. That's not what I was looking though for my nose. And then I got these bracelets. Or these anklets for my feet. Yep. Be cute for the summer. What's over here? This is too crazy. These are cute. I had to go to Burlington for a purse. I went the other day, but I didn't see nothing I really like. This is cute. I like this. Polo. I like that. Ooh, I like this. This is pretty. I like this. Well, I am not even paying no $33. Nope. How much is that one? 32. No. I like that one. Little wallet. How much is this one? I really like this. How much is it? Don't say. This is cute. But it don't say how much. I know a lot of days so they don't even put the price on it no more. Okay, let's go. Where we going? Shoes? No, I just bought me some shoes. Yeah, and I paid $3 for them too. No shame in my game. I'm spending a lot of money. Especially with the war going on. Okay, let's go like to the electronic. I'll be back. Saved $12. My daughter was gonna buy, she was gonna buy me one of these for my birthday, but I don't need that. I have a laptop, a desktop. I don't know, not now. I don't think I need an iPad. Yeah, not yet. Soon though, it's coming. And then when I get one, I need to get the biggest, like the gigabytes and all that. Cause why get one with so little gigabyte and I'm gonna use it up? Then what? No, I can't do all that. Yeah, long, it's still working. Gotta take care of that stuff. Yeah, my daughter, her Apple, I wondered, it better be still working. I bought it for $200 at Christmas time when it used to be the good old day. Black Friday, the real Black Friday. Something over here, $10 off. Smart glasses. No, that ain't real. I don't know how much is a smart glass. I be wanting some of these, but it's you only can record for like 4 minutes or something. You probably can get more minutes to record, but it probably gonna cost you a lot. Like 4 minutes, y'all crazy. Watch me, watch. Range price is 36. What is it, Pro Portable? Oh, it's a battery. We got batteries, and I don't use them. Oh, look at this, $8.99. And that's not even no Apple, Lord. It is so pretty, like mine. Mine's a later version, probably. I like that. I like that. I like that. A charger holder, not bad for $1.50. Add-on chargers, cable, $3, whatever that is. Watch. I don't know what that is. $6. Anybody still use these cream protectors? I got so many at home I can use. Different phones, just cut them up to fit. Yeah, but not bad for $2.50. Ooh, look at this guy. Ooh, this is pretty. I like this. Fits iPhone 15 Pro Max. So it'll fit this phone. $5.50. 10. The grip 7.2. Fits iPhone 17. Ooh, that's the new iPhone. How much is it? Don't say. So I guess this is regular price. That's cute. Ooh, $78, guys. Really wasted my money. I think it was this one. Let's see. Yep, that's what I bought for. And look at it now, it's $50. They talking about back then it was $50. They ripped me out. Yeah, right here. These are one I really like. If I ever buy another one, I'll buy this kind. But I need to get that one to working. Ooh, I wouldn't mind having one of these in my house. That one's only $59. Not bad for that one. I cleared $208, $349. 12. What is this? Juice. Wireless charge Corvette mount. Oh yeah, that's what I can do. Get another Corvette. Dang, 76. 48. That's not bad. 158 or 43 inch. This mean? What is the add-on? Protective holder strap for Apple AirTag. I don't know what that means. Ooh, watch. Harry Potter watch. A Harry Potter watch, guys. 20 watch faces. Watch faces. Oh, look at that. Minecraft. It's not bad. $14 already, probably $40. I had one of these, I sure would be getting it. Waterproof case, yeah. I needed it, I don't need that. 20. Ghostbusters. What is that? USB, okay, adapter. Save 11, what is this? I don't know what that is. Okay, 108. Wi-Fi, also like a Wi-Fi system. So you can just get that and you ain't gotta be paying for Wi-Fi every month. Okay guys, we're at the garden. It's that time of the year. I should have been starting my vegetables. I remember I used to get these all day long for $5 and $6. What is this? Chinese money plant? I need me one though. I need a money plant. How much is that? They are. Ooh, I see some tomatoes and stuff over there. I think last year I got them from Home Depot. But since I have a gift card, I can get it from here. Squash. My tomatoes and peppers is growing, so I don't know, should I buy any? $4. I don't know, should I get any more? I should just let them grow. I might get a couple. $4.68 tomato. Then my tomato plant is growing. Ooh, you know what? This is I do need. But my bell pepper was growing too. But I do need that. $4.68. It might be cheaper here. I don't know. Ooh, yellow bell pepper. I had green ones last year. $4.68 yellow. Maybe I should try some yellow ones. Who knows? But I got, ooh, what's this? Lettuce? Head lettuce. And $5.94. I don't know what that grow. I gotta check on the lettuce. $3. So little. I think I'm gonna try that yellow. $5. I'm gonna give me one of these. Okay, we're gonna get one of these. I don't think I need no dirt. Just use that dirt that I got from last year. And tomato. Should I get any tomato? Since I got them one tomato growing already. $4.68. I don't think I'm gonna get that either. I think I'm gonna get some jalapenos though. Strawberries, $10. Jalapenos are $3.90. That's not bad. I think I'm gonna get one of these. $3.97. $2.97. That's so little. That's bigger. Okay, we're gonna get that and we're gonna get one of these. Okay.
Yeah, it's very nice black.
Yeah, I remember these used to be so cheap.
Yeah.
Down there. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Got it Lowe's. I don't know about no money plant. Not for no $10. What is this? False? I don't know what that is. Okay, we got our two. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be it. I don't think I need no dirt. Okay, guys, then we have some toys on clearance over here. 18, 106, 34, 12, 29, 15, 16. Yep, some toys on clearance, guys. 97, summer is coming. You guys know I love yellow. This is like a yellow green, dog. This is so pretty. But look at the price. It'd be like $50 for this outfit. At least if I go to Shein, I can get two outfits for $50. But I like that.